Welcome to Smart Academy. We are giving CSI Physical Science online classes for you. So today I want to discuss Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. Up to now I discussed Schrodinger time independent wave equation. So let us start our discussion now. So today our topic is Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. So let us see. Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. So this is the topic today. See, according to de Broglie theory, so every particle associated with a wave. So for Schrodinger time dependent wave equation, Schrodinger introduced a wave function which is complex function, is a function of x, y, z and t. See coordinates and the function of time also. So it is a complex function of space coordinates and time. So for that one, the differential equation representing one dimensional wave equation. So by using this wave function, I am going to write a differential equation representing one dimensional wave motion. See for this one, so I am writing here dou square psi by dou t square v square del square psi. This is the equation number 1. See, this is a one-dimensional differential equation in the function of, that is complex function, that is dou square psi by dou t square equal to v square del square psi, equation number 1. So in Schrodinger time independent wave equation also, this equation is the classical differential equation. I already written there. So one more time I written in this topic also. So solution for this one, psi equal to psi naught e power minus I omega t. E power minus I omega t is a function of x, y, z and time. Space coordinates and time. Psi is the function of space coordinates and time. Now I am differentiating this one. So solution of equation 1. Solution of equation 1. So here dou psi by dou t psi naught minus I omega e power minus I omega t. So here psi naught minus omega, this is the angular velocity. Now I am introducing 2 pi nu e power minus I omega t. Psi naught e power minus I omega t is nothing but psi minus I 2 pi nu into psi. So this is equal to dou psi by dou t. Dou psi by dou t. Dou psi by dou t equal to minus I 2 pi nu into psi. So dou psi by dou t equal to C minus I 2 pi. So 2 pi here, h cut equal to h by 2 pi. H cut equal to h by 2 pi. So just multiply with h and divided with h nu into psi. So we can write this one 2 pi by h, that is equal to h nu by h cut psi, dou psi by dou t equal to. So here minus I e psi by h cut, that is equal to dou psi by dou t. So dou psi by dou t equal to, now we got dou psi by dou t equal to minus I e by h cut into psi. So if we change this one, if we change so we got this one dou psi by dou t equal to minus I e by h cut psi. So e psi equal to minus e psi equal to h cut dou psi by dou t. See, minus I, if you change this, plus I will get. So e psi equal to I h cut dou psi by dou t. H cut dou psi by dou t. So here substitute e psi value from Schrodinger time independent wave equation. So from Schrodinger time independent wave equation, E psi equal to, we get this value V psi minus del square psi h cut square by m. So this is, for example, equation number 4. This is equation number 5. Just substitute equation number 5 in equation number 4. We substitute, we will get E psi equal to I h cut dou psi by dou t. So here I am substituting V psi minus del square psi h cut square by m equal to I h cut dou psi by dou t. So finally we will get, if you solve this one, del square psi equal to minus 2m by h cut square of I h cut dou psi by dou t minus v psi. So we got this one, del square psi equal to minus 2m by h cut square of I h cut dou psi by dou t minus v psi. So we can write like this, h cut square by 2m del square psi plus v psi equal to I h cut dou psi by dou t. So this is the equation Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. Schrodinger time dependent wave equation, that is minus h cut square by 2m del square psi plus v psi equal to I h cut dou psi by dou t. So if we change this one some little bit, so what is the equation we have now? Minus h cut square by 2m del square psi plus v psi equal to I h cut dou psi by dou t. So minus h cut square by 2m del square plus v of psi equal to I h cut dou psi by dou t. See here, this one will be h cap psi equal to, already we have this one I h cut dou psi by dou t equal to E psi. So I h cut dou by dou t equal to E, then this is a psi. So h psi equal to E psi. So where h equal to minus h cut square by 2m del square plus v. This is Hamilton operator. Hamiltonian operator. Next, E equal to I h cut dou by dou t. This is energy operator. Energy operator. So this is a Hamiltonian operator, this is a energy operator. So we got the equation h psi equal to E psi. This is important. This equation describes the motion of a non-relativistic material particle. This equation describes the motion of a non-relativistic material particle. The equation is h psi equal to E psi. This is about showing a time dependent wave equation. So thank you. Up to now I discussed showing a time dependent wave equation. So see the next class, in next video I want to discuss about operators. So before going to closing the session, please subscribe my channel for more videos. We are targeting June 2021 CSIR NET Physical Science exam. If you are interested to follow me, please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any doubt, please comment on this video. If you want to share any ideas, you can share with me in the YouTube comment box. Thank you.